Hello, hello, this is Juno Lee from Korea. Today I'm gonna show you this Cheonggyecheon stream, a beautiful nature sitting right here in the middle of city. It used to be a place for people to come out and do the laundry, and it was a natural sewage system for the people up until 100 years ago. Wow, now it's really nice, a nature place for people in Seoul. Come on, I'm gonna show you. Let's go, Cheonggyecheon stream. Wow. Alright, so Cheonggyecheon stream. So obviously people need to cross the stream. So dynasty needed to build the bridge. Third king of Joseon dynasty, about 500 years ago, he didn't like his stepmother because stepmother didn't want him to be the king. So he instead killed his stepbrother and become a king. And what he did was to use the stones from his stepmother's tomb to build this bridge. So you can actually see the stones from the royal tomb. Do you understand? All right. Very historical bridge, Cheonggyecheon stream. Let's go. I came here, Daerim Sangga, electronic market. What I heard is when we occupy by Japan, Japanese have this big empty space because at the time building caught on fire, fire goes to another building, so they needed a big empty space to stop that. When we become independent, our government built lots of, markets for electronics, etc., etc., etc. So it's like a big industry right in the middle of city, next to Uljiro, also another very popular place, famous place for industry in 70s, 80s, 90s. Now it's a hot place because it has a really nice view. Come on, follow me. Okay, so the stream must flow, right? But things got accumulated, sometimes it doesn't flow. So about 200 years ago, by one of our king from dynasty did a big maintenance work. So they dig up the stream so the water can flow and move all the dirt, the thing to the side, and then it was too much, it became a mountain. So we have a mountain market, Gwangjang Market. But that market, not much to see. Right across from there, they have a Gwangjang Market, a lot to see. I recommend you to go to the Gwangjang Market. Come on, follow me. Alright, I'm here at Pyeonghwa Market. Okay, so after Korean War, they built this Pyeonghwa Market because at the time our labor weren't able to manufacture things like shoes, clothing, hats, something like that. So the Gwangjang Market is a market for fabric, so it's easier to get the fabric. So they built this big factory for clothing. So a lot of people here work 16 hours and they get paid very, very little. So at that time, this guy called Jeon Taeil, he knew that it was wrong, it was against the labor law. He found out there was a labor law, but it was ignored. So he protested, could not work, so he set himself on fire. So after that, things got a lot better. So we have to remember Jeon Taeil. Yeah, it's crazy. It's over. It's over. All right, we're gonna continue. Follow me. Alright, I just visited Cheonggyecheon Museum. It's a wonderful museum to learn about history of Cheonggyecheon stream. So after Korean War, all the refugees came back to Seoul. There's no place to live, so they built makeshift houses. These are the replica. Alright, so it was so poor life, so government actually paved the stream and they built the highway. So it became a symbol of industrialization. And near 2000, government want the nature back, so they restore this stream. It's really wonderful stream, so I highly recommend you to come out and walk along the stream, and there's so much to enjoy. Markets, hot places, cafe, so much more. Okay, thank you, and I'll see you again in Seoul. Alright guys, bye. Cheonggyecheon.